What are we doing, boys? Look at that, she fits good. I'm doing a little video now. You got her down on there, eh? Well, don't talk to me then.
Why are you using that camera?
There's the mutt underneath there. Why not? What did you do?
Nothing. Nothing. Don't tell him nothing, Drew.
I ain't telling him nothing.
Don't tell him. Can you talk to your lawyer?
There's a warrant out for your arrest, boy.
No.
No? You paid that fine?
What one?
I don't know which one, he says. Yeah, it looks good. Think she's gonna work?
No.
Okay.
I would have welded it.
If you'd have welded it, she'd be just awesome, huh? Okay. I'll take that into consideration next time. All smoked up, eh?
You got all smoked up?
Yeah, I got her all smoked up.
Mike's all smoked up.
Are you putting the stoppers in or what? Wait. Better do that or it'll roll right over. Alright, yeah. I have to show people out in the world that we actually do something. I don't have to, I'm going to. How's that? Alright. You gotta get loud and obnoxious though. I don't know, it's too quiet in here. You want some snot? Hi, Kyle.
Is that another new camera?
No, it's the same one.
I didn't know.
That's not the same one.
Yeah, it flips up. Hey. So you can see yourself, see?
Holy fuck.
What are you guys up to? Well, yeah, that's a given. Hey, you got something done though. It looks pretty good. You know. Now you're gonna lie to the camera. Everything fit together good? Yeah. I gotta try to make it fun.
Everything fit good.
Good.
Troy, are you blowing your nose in this? Just about wipe my hand in it.
Well, by the way, watch the language. I mean, I'll have to put it on the video. This is real stuff. Vulgarity warning.
Yeah.
So don't let your little kids watch it, because. Yeah.
Say, warning, we say.
There you go. Getting you hooked up, huh? He's got a trunk. What is that?
Toolbox.
That's a toolbox? Where does that go?
Right on the front.
That's the back. Depends on which way you're looking, right? You're getting full of oil?
Professional.
Oh yeah? Okay. Probably no oil in the tank.
We'll find out when we start it up.
We got arranged for a crane yet? Yeah.
Grenades.
I guess I'll have to pick up where I left off the other day. The ergo's gone. Customer picked it up this morning. The boys finished her up yesterday, hooking all the stuff up and getting her going. And I hope you're happy, Mr. Customer. I know you are. We talked a long time this morning, so appreciate the business. And yeah, anyways, and moving on to this guy. Woo. You know, we talked in the past about the rear end. Rear end? Rear end. got that all fixed up, and now we're finishing up the center section and the old crane base, as I guess I call it. We added a bunch of plates here. Guys just got done. She's still hot. Gonna slide her together tomorrow, put the pins in it, and check out some oil leaks for the customer underneath the cab for a later date so we can advise them what's going on, I guess, with it. And basically we're at the end of that job, and tomorrow afternoon that should be done, and the customer should be picking it up then and go from there. And surprisingly, I have nothing. Well, I got a semi to fix the air conditioner on, and imagine somebody ordered the wrong part over at Packer, Kenworth, whatever you want to say. So I'm waiting for that line to come in. It's a special line for the AC that I couldn't make myself, and basically, yeah, there's nothing left. There's some maintenance work to do on our own stuff. My dad's truck trailer, maybe we'll do some stuff, and it looks like there's some slow weeks coming. The log markets, not the log markets, but the pulp markets, I'm told, up here in Wisconsin suck. Paper mills are full. And so here we are, we're winding down a week. It's Wednesday, but we've got, like I said, one more day with that, and that should be going out. I got a service call to go do tomorrow morning on a John Deere H270 head. Imagine that. Some electrical issues. That's about it. So I just thought after those boys, I'm going to try to bleep out their swearing, but whatever. Yeah, I don't know what this is going to bring. This is second or third or fourth time this year that it's been like this, where there's just nothing. The phone isn't ringing, and the money isn't floating around there, or the guys are fixing their own stuff. So I don't know what. Maybe I'll have to go out and get a real job. Ha. Yeah, wouldn't that be the day, right? Anyways, just wanted to bring you up to speed. That's what I'm up to. Ain't gonna be much after this. Not much unless something breaks loose here. And usually it always does. Something always comes down the pipe. Actually, I got a few things in the works. And so I'm not worried about it. So there. Okay. Basically, that's what I got today to add on to the other day's stuff. The boys putting that crane together. So I hope you're doing great. Hey, and by the way, yeah, I do have something else. I'm up to, I got the watch time that YouTube requires. But I'm at, 550 subscribers as of a little while ago that I looked. And, and by the way, Logger Wade, I appreciate you throwing my name out there. That meant a lot. You did it to me and a few other guys, and it's just fantastic. I find that in the community, that the YouTube thing, that there's a lot of people like that. There's a lot of good people out there in the world, and the guys that comment on my stuff regularly, I appreciate that too. It's kind of nice. It's, you get different stuff from different parts of the world. So there, and I'm very fortunate to have all you guys, and I appreciate it, and keep spreading the word, and tell your friends, tell your enemies, and exes, and whatever. I don't care. Appreciate it. All right, thanks for watching once again. I mean it. All right, take care.